This Defender 110 is simply unbelievable. The way it looks, the specification, the colour combination, the way it's been looked after, the engine. It's a P400 110 XS edition. It's then been fully exterior styled, finished in silicone silver, but it's got everything from wide arches, 22s, pod lights, front canards. Beautiful looking car. XS edition comes fully loaded with spec, air suspension, sliding sunroof, heated seats, ventilated seats. It's even got the larger media screen air suspension as well. It's then got full Land Rover service history. It's only done 33,000 miles on a 22 registration, and it is a P400 petrol. So 400 brake horsepower, 3-litre petrol, Defender 110. It is superb in every single way. The way it looks will attract your attention first. Silicon silver, black badging, black pack, front canards, make it look a lot more aggressive on the exterior, wide arches as well. Now, the way that the kit has been done is to the highest standard, so it's been put together very well. You've also got the bonnet inserts, the side vents, 22-inch wheels. They're finished in a satin black, and then with the air suspension, you can see that the car just sits exactly how you want it to. Pod lights, obviously the extended black pack then continues all the way around the car. Now, a Defender 110 is a very practical car to begin with, but the reason that we sell so many of them is because of the way they look. People want that look, and this is exactly what everyone wants. So you've got the silicon silver, extended black pack, wide arches. Then on the interior, it's been very well kept. Black leather, Isofix seats, sliding sunroof, so it's the perfect family car. When you get to the rear, obviously on a 110, you've then got that bigger boot space, rear spoiler, full-size spare wheel cover. P400 is an incredibly rare engine to get in a Defender 110. Very responsive, great drive, because 90% of these cars are diesel. Air suspension, you can control from the back, also from the front, depending on where you're driving, just in case you need a little bit more clearance than usual. XS edition in what is a complicated model line, it just makes things dead straightforward for you, so there's no need to really add any packs or extras. What you need to do is get one that looks the part, which this is that, but then the XS looks after the rest. Heated wheel, the larger media screen is a very rare sight to see on an XS edition. Usually they have the kind of thinner, narrower screen, but that for me just lifts the interior up massively. Obviously, when you actually start the car, you then see everything else that this car has got. ClearSight rear view camera, standard on the XS. For those of you who don't know what that is, that's a HD camera, comes from the rear, straight through to your rear view mirror. Sliding sunroof, again, there is Defenders on this stage that don't have a sunroof whatsoever. This has a sliding sunroof, which is what you would want in a car of this standard. I'll show you what that looks like in just a second. Heated seats, ventilated seats, electric memory setting on the seats as well. Meridian Sound system for those of you that are into your music. Under the armrest, there's a refrigerator, and in front of the fridge is a wireless charger. It's literally got everything you can possibly need. Rear view camera, aerial view camera, even a 360 camera. Your heated and cool seats work from there, and the air suspension, which I mentioned to you earlier, from here. Full Land Rover service history is very important. Now, for me on this car, I said it at the start, the way it looks will attract you initially, but then take into consideration the mileage, the service history, that extra spec with the media screen, the air suspension, the sliding sunroof, everything that the XS comes with, on top of the fact it's a P400. So to go and get another one of these is pretty much impossible. It's irreplaceable. So if you have been waiting for us to get something that is unique in every single way possible, then this is your car. Any question about how you want to buy it through different funding options, a part exchange you may have, you might just want to come and pay for it and collect it. Well, if you want to do that, just contact me on my mobile number. My name is Paddy, and I look forward to speaking to you.